Hi everyone, welcome. Today I want to demonstrate a major difference between Benchmade's Axis lock and Ganzo's G-lock, which is a clone of the Axis lock. So we have 4 knives here. Functionality-wise, the locks are nearly identical. Ergonomically, though, there's a significant difference between the Ganzo lock and the Benchmade lock. Can you spot which one doesn't belong? This second one is the Ganzo. And as you can see, the actuation bar is nearly flush with the handle scales. On the Benchmade actuation bars, they stick significantly above the handle scales. This makes the Benchmade significantly easier to use than the Ganzo. I don't know why Ganzo did this, but hopefully they can fix this in the future. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye now.